Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Ananya, and in today's video we are going to be starting our fall makeup looks, and I'm super excited because I think I mentioned in the last video, I absolutely love fall and I can't wait to just add all those oranges and browns and like terracottas like in my eye. In today's look, I did a kind of halo effect. I didn't use concealer to, you know, do the middle portion, but I just wanted to be like seamless and more naturally what I can wear outside for like a fall look. And this lip color as well is like the perfect brownish, orangish terracotta color. If you guys do try out this look, don't forget to tag me so I can share your picture on my story. If you guys like the way this look turned out, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video down below. So let's get started with this fall look. To start off, I'm actually going to be using my Morphe 350 palette. So this is such like an OG palette, and I think I got it like 3-4 years ago, and I used to use it so often, not so much anymore, and I just wanted to dip back into it because there is nothing more that reminds me of fall other than this palette. I want to show you guys, but it's so dirty. I'm kind of scared, but I think like every palette that you guys have seen so far has been really dirty, so it's fine. So this is the palette. Yeah, like stuff happened, but this is just like fall in a palette, and it was so big. It's still so big, so I just wanted to go back into this and start off with my transition shades. I am probably gonna just mix all these three. So one of the biggest things for me about like shading and like working with mattes is a lot of layering different colors. So you will see that throughout. I'm going to start off with this 3 colors, any kind of orangish browns on the crease. I used to use this one a lot too, so you know, I'll probably start off with this one and then go with these two, and then to make it a little bit more orange, I'll go into that. Okay, for my next step, I'm going to take a bit of a deeper, more terracotta color, and that is this one? This one. Okay. So I'm adding this obviously a little bit lower, and this color just adds a little bit more warmth and depth. To me, all of this is basically mixing every orange you have in an organized manner. So starting from the lights and then going a little bit darker. I'm going back in with that like more orange shade, like that's right over here. Not the other two, those seem a little bit too bright. I'm gonna start off with this and again just brighten up the look and make it warmer. I'm gonna place it in the crease and connect both. I'm gonna take that same denser brush, the second brush that we used, with that same more terracotta color, this one. I'm gonna mix that with a little bit of this one as well, since a little bit deeper than these. These are really orange, these are a little bit more brown. So I'm gonna add that on the outer edge just to deepen up the outer edge. I'm also going to be using that slightly terracotta shade on my inner corner. I don't want to give it like a cut crease, but I just want to make sure that the pop in the middle, the shimmer in the middle really pops. So I'm just going to add more depth inside and outside. Now for the shimmery part, I'm just going to spray my brush with Fix Plus. And I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This has like an orange base with a lot of neutral, like gold and like rose gold reflexes. On top of this, I want to add more of a gold reflex because this is a little bit too pink for me. I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty Obsessions palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here and this shade right here and place it on top of this shade. For me, it's the same thing with the mattes and the shimmers. I really like layering them all together. So I use a lot of different oranges when I was blending, and I'm doing the same thing with my lid as well. Again, right now, I'm sure you're like, oh, the inner corner, the outer corner is crazy. But we're gonna use that same brush that we did before for this a little bit denser, and we're gonna use those same colors to really blend everything from inside to outside. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to go back into the orange shades and just really brighten up the whole look. So I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Foundation in the shade 310. I broke my foundation and I'm not able to pump it anymore, so I have to basically take it out like this. I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to quickly set my under eyes with my Laura Mercier powder. I'm going to be bronzing my face with the Fenty Coco Naughty bronzing powder. You can leave it at this, but I just want to warm it up more with my MAC Give Me Sun. For my blush, I'm just going to be using the Morphe 9N palette. And I'm going to be going in with these two shades right here. So for my highlighter, I'm going to be going in with my Becca Prosecco Pop, just because it's such a warm yellow tone highlighter. I'm like a big put everything on and then blend everything with your beauty blender, not just your foundation, your concealer, your blush, your bronzer. It just like, I just like everything beauty blendified. I am going to be adding my Ardell Demi Wispies. I'm gonna finish my bottom lash line with just a little bit of a deeper brown and focus it on the outside. I'm gonna quickly add black liner underneath. To finish this off, I'm gonna be using the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip. I'm gonna quickly add the Anastasia Beverlyhills in Ashton, and I'm gonna put that in the center. So that's it for today's look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was easy to follow. This is just one out of the many fall looks that I'm going to be posting sometime in like the next 2 weeks. So make sure you guys have your notification bell on so you can keep updated on when I post my next fall look. I will also be doing my Halloween looks somewhere in between. So just keep an eye out for that as well. I hope you guys have an amazing day and stay safe.